Now let's go over the vertebral structures. In order to properly visualize these structures, we're going to isolate the typical vertebrae and put them side by side. It is important to remember that there are junctional vertebrae that are going to have characteristics of both the upper and lower regions. So again, what we're seeing here are the typical vertebrae of the cervical, thoracic, and lumbosacral regions. A vertebra is formed by two big components. One is the body, and the other is the vertebral arch, which lies posteriorly. Again, the body is has the shape of a cylinder, and it's going to change in its dimensions due to the amount of force that each region needs to handle with. The body is going to be connected by two bridges, which are the pedicles, with a structure that has more of a triangular shape named the vertebral arch. The vertebral arch encompasses different processes. This is better visualized from a posterior perspective. Let's go over the thoracic vertebra, and we can see that there are four articular processes, one right side, on the right side, one superior on the left side, another superior, an inferior on the left side, and another inferior on the right side, articular processes. And laterally, we're going to see two transverse processes. If we move posteriorly, we can see the seventh process, which is spinous process. These processes are going to be connected by two laminae. And from superior to inferior, there's going to be a structure called the pars articularis, which is going to be connecting both the superior and inferior articular process, and it's going to be just posterior to the pedicle. Anterior to the laminae and medial to the articular processes, we can see the vertebral foramen, which is the place that in which we're going to find the spinal cord. Now again, all these structures and their features, we will compare them in the next couple of slides. There's several different characteristics that are going to help us to differentiate vertebrae from the same region, and of course the vertebrae from different regions.